Open VirtualBox and click New. In the name field, enter Windows 10. Under ISO image, select your Windows 10 ISO file. Check the box labeled Skip Unattended Installation. Click Finish. Click Start to begin the virtual machine. In the top menu, click View and select Full Screen Mode, then click Switch. The Windows installation will begin. Choose your language, time, and currency format and keyboard/input method, then click Next. Click Install Now. When prompted for a product key, click I don't have a product key. Select Windows 10 Home 64-bit and click Next. Accept the license terms and click Next. Choose Custom, Install Windows Only Advanced. Select the drive where you want to install Windows, then click Next. Wait for the installation process to complete through the 5 steps. Once done, Windows 10 will be installed and ready to use.